Mongo have little truck. Mongo make truck big. Baby wheel. Ooh. Ooh. Big wheel. Yeah. Mongo make truck big. First, Mongo put frame on bricks. Big bricks. To frame. Don't try at home, kids. Not safe. Sketchy at best. Mongo got wheel off. Both wheel tires come off. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, Mongo need lots of lube juice. Ooh. Lots of lube juice. Time to take shock out. Big hugga dugga help, me think. Uh-oh. It slipped. Need wrench. Okay, it's good. No more shock. Now we take out U-bolt. U-bolt gone. All clear. Got space. Now we take front bolt out. And then we take back bolt out. Mongo put wrench on already. Mongo learner. Come right out. Old spring, new spring. New spring make truck big. Leaf spring in. Tighten bolt. New U-bolts. Too long to get socket on. Not sure how to torque. But very tight. Other one's all bolted. Mongo make boo-boo. Did not lift up truck high enough for spring. Had to redo. Had to remove the brake line. Got too tight. And I will have to make custom bracket for rear height proportioning brake valve. Kit comes with new shock hardware. So this part goes in frame. Then shock slide on there and tighten. We get mounted according to markings on shock. This was the top and the body is down. Hopefully this slide on good. Pretty good. Not bad. Get the washer. Get the lock washer. Don't cross thread. on further. There we go. This part's fun. Clean out Georgia mud. Okay. It's good now. Shock. We released you from your earthly bounds. Not yet. You are released. Then a little wiggling and we'll get bolting. Shocks on. Both sides. Torque. Good. Had to put baby wheels back on. Yeah, baby wheel. Stupid big wheels. No socket to fit in hole. Need different lug nuts. So other day, those go. But truck getting big. Mongo like big truck. Oh, that's a wicked rake though. Well, Mongo busy, so maybe tomorrow we put front on.